Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets. Kids class name: red color, green color, blue color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use green color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use blue color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use black color. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan, and use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw G. G for goat, G for grapes, and use red color. Kids now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use green color. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream, and use blue color. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use yellow color. Kids, today you draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.